Are you going with them? Okay, ready? Set, go!
We have the day off school and work, so here we are with the kids. We've been down a good dozen times, but it's good. It's good fun out here today. The snow's great. It's right for snowballs and sledding, and it's just a good day to be out with the kids.
It's really fast and it's fun. It's fast. I have an orange one that says I need one of the Armstrongs. I have Oz, the green one.
You guys got the day off school today, right?
Yeah.
So you guys are really sad about that, right? I'm sure.
No, we're happy. I'm happy about it. I don't like school.